Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by opening the Indmoney app and choosing Trade. Do this now rather than delaying. Complete KYC with Aadhaar, PAN, and a selfie, then e-sign to activate trading permissions. Link your bank using UPI or net banking for instant funding. This matters because settlements and margin calls depend on it. Once done, set up a 2FA PIN and enable biometric login so you can trade fast and securely. Make sure your profile shows verified status before placing orders. You now select the instrument, type the stock symbol or mutual fund name, and study the live quote and chart briefly. Decide your order type, market for immediate fill, limit to control price, or stop loss for risk management, and enter quantity. Before you hit confirm, verify brokerage, GST and SDT implications, and required margin for intraday or delivery trades. Use order preview to confirm net debit or credit. If you want, place an initial small order to validate execution speed and slippage. You finish by actively managing positions. Monitor P&L, set price alerts, and enable auto square off for intraday exposures. When exiting, choose limit to capture target gains or market if you need immediate execution. Adjust stop loss as volatility changes. If orders fail or the app shows inconsistencies, first confirm available funds, KYC verification, and network or maintenance notices. If everything looks fine but problems persist, contact Indymoney support with your order ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.